Promasidor ejumeko no na moye onga memu efiso mo ba sitina no ayade a adwadifo omo ne omo edidwa meche wholesalers no omo ebo mo homodin ye pa ne sai sintina omo bo onka ha so ma ye adwumedi de ama ne nyina mu no omo edebo wholesalers oha ene aduonumu abaso adwumaden a omo ye ede amamo ebra ya ne brand manager edema adwumeko yi Mama Linda Nate etwetwe nkomo no wo che se we ye adwumedi omo de bo wholesalers no abaso ewo adwumaden a omo abo afemu ni nyina.
Now we share the number of wholesalers aba. We are almost 150 wholesalers. E won kran hey nko nka ye be pese nka next year going forward and ye betimi invite close to 500 wholesalers for the same event. What are we saying? Ye pese omo hu se omo kan ye ho. Omo ni ho a ejwadie no anasa ade ton no kwa no e incomplete. Nti ye celebrate omo as our wholesalers with a special honor, and we cannot do this with just a few. And year on, we'll try and make sure that we enlarge it and increase the numbers so that everybody in the market will experience what we are experiencing this year.
Communications Director at the Majumekwe Samuel Sadao, one also at the Kakra episode.
This night is for our wholesalers, and we want to appreciate them for their commitment and the effort that they did this year, and we wish to work with them for next year and do better than this year. So we wish them the best for 2020 with Anga. And this program, it's a program that we want to continue to do every year because it's very important for us to have also a feedback from them to do some improvement and give better support for them.
Nekrakra ena Orise Kobia Waya Media Relations Officer Edema Promasidor Etre Butaya esi edwumeko ne so ene boa mode beboa ama emegbuno enye adwuma dodo na aye.
As a company I watema ema ye wholesalers a omoboa ye e wo yade ton. Ehun be hia se eniom be hia na yade feedback efi omo honom 2019 se na adwuma no koye ni etima boa ye for 2020. Na yasa fa sa akonya no so atrom odo Onga ye Ghana hanom nti yenkoso ayen support Ghana products sesa na obiye company say made in Ghana products yen support them ye besre na okokru mu a wato onga